So, good day po. There's a lot of topic we've been tackled in our subject CDI 5, like the types of wounds, different types of articles, like the Article 246, the parricide, Article 247, Article 248, which is the murder, and kung ano yung magiging consequence kapag nakomit mo itong mga crime na to. Like, tapos yung mga types of medicines, the legal medicines, medical jurisprudence, tapos yung examination of hearts. And I'm going to discuss only the 6 cardinal points in investigation. The 5 wives, 1 husbands. The 5 wives, the who, what, where, when, why, and how. First is the who question. So this question needed to identify the identity of the victims or the suspects. Next is the what. So you need to find out what happened. Next is where. So you need to locate the place of the incident. When, kung to determine when the crime was committed, kung kailan, anong oras, and next is the why. So to know the motives, cause of incidents, and so on, and how this help the investigators to know how the crime has been committed. Thank you po.